Hello everybody. Today I continue testing performance of Duino Coin on different hardware. In this video I will install and run Duino Coin Miner on Arduino Mega board. First I downloaded Miner release from GitHub. In Miner folder we can find folder Arduino code folder. Open Arduino_code.ino file with Arduino IDE. Choose your Arduino board. Choose COM port. Upload. After code uploaded, run ABR miner from miner root directory. Enter username of Duino wallet. Choose COM port where connected Arduino. Write rig name if you want. And also you can donate the developer. After this miner starts and we can see that Arduino Mega board performance is 227 kHz per second. Same value was in miner documentation. In future we'll check another hardware. Thank you for your attention.